Hi guys, welcome back to another helpful video. Today we are featuring the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max. And in this guide, I'll walk you through how to change the ringtone or set a custom ringtone on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's get started.